Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chef here. Tonight for dinner I am making dim sum style Chinese steamed cabbage rolls. I will be using beef, and before I begin on all of the other ingredients I will be adding to the minced meat, please understand that the very base, very foundation of this dish, all you need is some cabbage leaves and minced meat of your choice. Everything else is totally optional. Please take this video as just an idea to build upon using either my method or your own. It is totally up to you. With that, let's get started. Alright, let's run through all of the ingredients. As I mentioned, for the base, all you need is the snapper cabbage, and I'm pretty sure regular cabbage will also do. And I have a pound of ground beef here. I will use 2 green onions, whole. I have 7 cloves of garlic, this much of ginger. I will use about a tablespoon or 2 white pepper, and this is canned bamboo shoots. I will probably use just about a quarter of this can, but I wanted to show you the whole thing just in case you go to Asian market to know what to look for. So, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine. So next, let's go ahead and make the filling. This is what bamboo shoots look like. So I just literally took a handful and squeeze them really nice to get rid of the excess liquid. Chop them up. Alright, let's build our filling. So I got garlic, onion, ginger, bamboo shoots all chopped up to my preference. You can use grater, you can use garlic press, up to you. Here's the pound of meat, going right in. A couple tablespoons white pepper. A nice coating of oyster sauce. A drizzle of Shaoxing cooking wine, and now we mix. Once you have it pretty well incorporated like this, now get in and mix in one direction. I don't know the science behind it, but somehow it's supposed to rearrange protein in a right order for proper texture. Now set your meat aside. Alright guys, so let's deal with the cabbage. Basically, I'm going to find some nice wholesome leaves like that, break them off. You can cut them if you want. So for presentation purposes, I'm just going to make 4 right now and then continue with the rest of them. This part is extremely thick, and I prefer not to work with it. Doesn't mean I won't use it. I will save it for soup or hot pot or something, but I'm just gonna cut to minimize this white part like this, and essentially use this for the wrap. There you go. So next, bring some water to boil, and let's blanch these leaves to soften them for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's take a look. We want to make sure that this thicker part of the cabbage is now flexible. Yes, it's ready. Besides the fact, blanching cabbage gives that, it brings up more of a green color too, so it's really nice looking. Beautiful. Let's take them out. So now we finally make our rolls. Go ahead and straighten out the leaf of cabbage. Go in with a little bit of meat, maybe about 2 tablespoons. Shape it into some kind of a log like this. There you go. Now let's make more of these. Alright guys, now we'll proceed to steam them. Place on a plate, like this, and onto a steamer. Once the water boils, we'll time about 10 minutes. Well, it is now taste test time. My favorite time. Just by itself first. It is fantastic. All the different textures in the meat filling are absolutely wonderful. The garlic and ginger flavor, the crunch of the bamboo shoots, the onions, it's amazing. By the way, for the dipping sauce that you saw on the, I guess, overall video of the dish, is just soy sauce and black Chinese vinegar with green onions. That's all. If you don't have black Chinese vinegar, don't substitute with just regular vinegar unless it's your thing. But just, you know, not overly complicated. Dip it into some soy sauce, it's fine. Now we have to dip this. Oh yeah. The black Chinese vinegar has this specific smell. I absolutely love it. What a treat. Also, this dish is very, very healthy. Nice and light. Flavorful. What's not to like about this? Please make this. Thank you so much for watching as always. All my best wishes to you. Take care. Till next time.